Established in 2014, Yancheng xinmingyue Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is a professional manufacturer and exporter that is concerned with the design, development, and production of reaper. We are located in Yancheng City, Jiangsu Province, China, with convenient transportation access. Our company is professional supplier of self-propelled reaper, reaper with binder, reaper cutting head, power tiller reaper, and mini tiller reaper. Our company does research and development, manufacture, sales, and after-sales service. The factory total area is 15,000 cubic meters, with automatic spraying line, CNC machining center, laser cutting machine, CNC lathe, and other high-end machinery, more than 30 kinds. We have professional technology and research engineers. The annual output reached 50,000 sets machines. Our series of self-propelled reaper and tractor reaper are widely used in harvest individual crops, include rice, wheat, sorghum, corn, soybean, chickpea, horse gram, alfalfa, forage grass, vetiver, quinoa, oats, barley, sesame, mulberry, jowar, canola, pepper, mint, stevia, reed, bulrush, and other similar crops. 85% of our products are exported for overseas market, that is South Asia, Southeast Asia, Oceania, Eastern Europe, Middle East, Africa, Central America, and South America. Our products are very popular there and already get a good reputation by overseas markets. We hope to work with you in long-term business. The dealership is developing in various countries. We are waiting for your join. Thank you.